What's going on, everyone? Today we have a Jordan 1 mid, and the official colorway to this is gym red, white, black. Now here are the sneakers themselves. Yeah, I mean, for some reason they've been slept on, and most sizes are still available today, which is quite odd for a Jordan 1 mid, as they usually tend to sell out very, very fast. Quality-wise, these are nowhere near as good as the SEs. Look there, look, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? Yeah, I mean, I love the colorway, I love everything about it. It's just the quality is... it's below the standards. I think they've made a big mistake with this one. I mean, I've had the previous release mids on the SEs, and the quality was exceptional on them. But this one is just, the leather is too hard and not soft at all. The leather feels more plastic than actual leather. It's just strange. I mean, it's hard to explain. And the toe box. Oh my god, we're gonna have a big problem with the toe box. But yeah, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, before you guys say anything in the comments, I realize the tongue is out way too much. I've only noticed that as I was taking a video, and I just couldn't be bothered to fix it, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, comfort-wise, on feet, it just feels like any other Jordan 1 mid. I mean, these feel cheap as well, in hand and on feet. And especially the toe box, like I said before, the toe box we're gonna have a big problem with. I don't know if it's a factory defect or not, but this one here is creased out of the box. The quality is, oh my god, the quality is horrible. I do not like this one, and I can tell you now, it will get creased very, very quickly. And here's a crease test for you guys. Now the left sneaker seems to be holding up quite well, and out of the box it was in good condition. But the right sneaker, just as soon as I bend the toe box, it's gone. And just with everyday walking, this is not going to hold up at all. And like I said, I'm not sure if it's a factory defect. I don't know if all of them are like this, but the ones I've been sent are definitely not good at all. The quality is, it's not what I expected, basically. The quality is not what I had expected. It is shit. Look at that. Look at that crease. I can officially say, if I could give a score out of 10 for the worst creasing sneakers to this day, this would be a 10. And it is the worst one I've had so far. Look at the state of it. Look at the quality. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.